Have you ever wondered which online business models actually make money and which ones are just pure hype? Well, today we're breaking them all down in the ultimate online business tier list. I'm going to rank them from S tier, absolute best money makers, to the ones that just aren't worth your precious time. And trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end because there's going to be a big plot twist on one business model that most people underestimate. But I'll show you why it deserves the top spot. If you're ready, like the video and let's get started. Before we rank these businesses, here's how we're judging them today. First category is profit potential. Can you actually make a lot of money using this business model? Second category is difficulty level. Is it beginner friendly or does it take years to master? Third one is scalability. Can you turn this into a long-term passive income stream? Fourth one is initial investment. Do you need thousands to start or you can do it with a little to no money at all? Fifth one, longevity. Will it still be profitable in 5 to 10 years? Now that we are clear on the criteria, let's get into the rankings. S tier, the best online business models 2025. These are the businesses that are highly profitable, scalable, and have long-term sustainability. First one, in my opinion, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most powerful ways to make money online because you don't need to create a product or deal with customer support. You simply promote other people's products using social media, blogs, or YouTube and earn commissions from every single sale. Why is it S tier? Once you build an audience and you get your content ranking, this business ran on autopilot. Imagine waking up to commissions hitting your account every single day while you sleep. However, it does take time to get traction, but once you master it and do it, it's one of the most passive income streams out there. The second one coming up next in S tier is content creation. YouTube, blogging, personal brand. If you like talking, writing, or being creative, then content creation is a no-brainer for you. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok allows you to turn your knowledge or personality into a business model that prints money every single day. The most important key here, guys, is consistency. You won't see results overnight, but once you build an audience, you can monetize with ads, sponsorships, or your own digital products. Just look at all the creators making from 6 or even 7 figures from YouTube alone. The best part, you own your audience, meaning you're not relying on some sketchy algorithm to get paid. Third one in the S tier is software as a service. Ever heard of companies like Netflix, Spotify, or even smaller subscriptions-based tools? Well, that's software as a service, and it's a gold mine if you have the right idea. What is the best part? The best part is recurring revenue. Unlike businesses where you have to sell every month, software as a service keeps customers paying on autopilot. The downside, it requires technical skills or hiring developers, but if you solve a real problem, the business can make you millions. The last one in the S tier, guys, is Forex trading with a plot twist. Now, before you say Forex is risky or most people lose money, hear me out, guys. Yes, most people fail at Forex, but that's because they don't have the right guidance. Here's the plot twist. I run my The One FX, the most transparent and successful Forex trading group. And unlike 99% of the Forex gurus out there selling dreams, we actually trade every day, show real raw results and help people make money consistently from month to month. So, while Forex on its own might be a B tier business, when you have access to the right strategies, signals and community like my The One FX trading group, it jumps straight into S tier. Why? Because in my group we win together, learn together and make real money every single day. If you have any specific questions about results, how to get started, the initial capital and where to join and which link to click, hit me up on my Instagram or my verified Telegram profile and I will give you all the necessary details. Now let's move on to the A tier. Great business models but with some challenges. These are solid businesses but require a bit more effort or investment to make them work. First one, e-commerce. Shopify dropshipping, print on demand. E-commerce is great because you're selling real products, but let's be real, it's not as easy as some gurus make them seem. Yes, you can start with little investment, but you need good marketing skills, Facebook ads, SEO, influencer marketing to stand out from the competition. Plus, competition is tough and profit margins can be low unless you build a strong brand. If you're willing to put in the work, e-commerce is a great business model, but it's not entirely passive income. Number 2 in the A list is coaching and consulting. If you're an expert in anything, people will pay you to learn from you. Coaching and consulting can be a fast way to hit 10k per month because you're selling high ticket services. However, the downside is that it's not scalable unless you hire people or create digital products. So, while it's great for cash flow, it's not the best long-term passive income business. Now, let's move on to the B tier section. Good, but not for everyone. These can make you money, but they have limitations that might hold you back. First one is freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing is a great way to make quick money, but it's not truly a business unless you build an agency or a brand around it. You're trading time for money, which means your income is capped. Still, if you need cash fast, this is a good way to start. Second one is Amazon FBA. Private label selling. Amazon FBA can be very profitable, but let's be honest, it requires a huge upfront investment around 5k. It's not as easy as just list a product and make sales. You have to deal with inventory, supply chain issues, and Amazon's unpredictable rules. If you're serious about e-commerce, it can be worth, but for most beginners, it's too risky. Now let's move on to the C tier, risky or not worth the effort at all. These business models either have low returns or are too unstable. MLMs, multi-level marketing. MLMs are legal pyramid schemes, simple as that. You don't make money selling products, you make money recruiting people. Avoid that at all cost. Number 2, survey websites and micro tasks. Making $3 an hour filling out surveys, pass. Your time is worth more than that. Okay guys, that was the ultimate online business tier list. If you're serious about making money, focus on S tier and A tier models. And if you want to crush it in Forex industry with a proven system, join the OneFX where we trade daily and make real profits. Drop a comment below with your favorite business model and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more money making tips. See you in the next one. Cheers.